So this is the collaborative wiki of the Higher Diploma in Computing class. So we made this wiki out of a combination of everyone's efforts from the previous assignment that we completed last week. So when you go onto the page, first of all, you'll see that we're greeted with a home key here and a Giphy, which was created by going onto giphy.com. And what I did was I took a small video clip of us, uploaded it and edited it so it loops over, and added in this header saying welcome to our wiki. So when we hit the home key, we are brought into the home page, which then allows us to see this index page here was added, which is just indicating what the heading is, very useful online resources. So then we get to the index page and we're now greeted by the home screen. So here we used the code from the previous wiki that we had made. We added a menu and we added this home key and the index here. So to add that, we simply went to edit. We added the words home followed by your two close brackets and open brackets at either end and just hit save. Likewise, to change the headings here, and we added these thick black lines and removed the numbers, and by doing that we took the code that we had from the previous one. So it was here, we went into this and the code is in here. And then I simply copied and pasted this header note in, went back to here, went to edit, and to know where exactly you want to paste the code in under the old heading, I just typed in the words here, converted it to the HTML, I went Control F and looked for the word here, and from that you can see exactly where you paste and copy in your new code. So as we head on to the first page, online storage. So this code, this header code, was pasted throughout the entire wiki and is consistent on every page. So you can see here again we have our index button and the heading of the current page that you're on. So you can always return to the index at any time. So we added in first of all these separate grey separating lines. To do that we went to W3 Schools, found the HTML code, which was an open bracket, HR and close bracket. Sorry, it was greater than symbol, HR, and less than symbol. And again, as previous, all we did was copy and paste it in using the words here to find out where you want it on the page. We then edited the current pages by taking out the numbers and indenting the headings. They are hyperlinked along with the images which we included for every heading here, which is consistent throughout. So again, all you have to do is click on this link and you can see that the page will open up. So returning back to the next, we can see that if we go on to the next page, for example, we could go to entertainment. As we move down the page, we can see that these animations were added in. Again, this code was all taken from our wiki content folder, which we collaborated on, and everybody allowed us to use the best images and the best animations that were available in order to enhance the site. So again, we saved the images to your desktop or your computer and then uploaded it in the size of 150 by 150. We'll just go on to variable reasoning here. And again, we can see we were consistent with the index page and the page which indicates what one you are working from. Again, we have an animation here, and this time we placed the different headings side by side rather than down the page. Again, these images were all uploaded and are hyperlinked, so it'll bring you to whichever site you're looking to go onto.